We go to a ball and I make nice and I want so far. I don't know what's the matter with the goat right now. Oh, the one who go to the front one coming back. Anytime she go to the front, she cry for coming back.
I've been down.
I don't know how she reach out there in the first place.
You just been down.
Mm-hmm. She go out there by herself and then she want to let her in back. The way where she walk go out there. She know the same way come back in. Not that bad for today now. Yeah. Happy Friday. You're there. That needs charging. No, so normally when you're there, I wake up place. And you step in a dog mess, them say that foot then I good again. You know? You step in a dog doo-doo. Hey, yesterday I wake up in place and I step in a pile of dog doo-doo. I said, no, sorry. Man, I'm not alive. I scan myself. Yeah. I say, God make me did have on slippers. God make me did have on slippers. I don't know what I'll do. You know, me that one big slippers at the time. So, when I do, me just clean it off in the grass out because
Wait a minute,
the
what
place have
happened?
a lot of grass. Step in a dog doo-doo.
A big mess?
I did it yesterday. Hi, silent watchers. How are you? You said that their foot not good again, my love. Out here the breeze kinda blow. Chilly. There's an next cold front coming again. So I drink some tea because the time feel coldish. Warm up myself on it now. The bread soft and nice.
You're fit packing.
How is your lunchtime, guys? How are you doing? Them I play music, but me not really hear. Me I hear the book sound, but me not hear the music. So that's okay. I know the bar and turn it down. Mm-hmm. The goat kid them, me don't know what happened to her. Anytime she go to her front, this one. Me don't know where she walk and go there, but when she come back round, she always a call somebody for let her in. Me not go there go let her in, you know. She go stay out there. Me never send her out. She go stay out there. It's becoming a habit nowadays. When she go out there, she start call you. If you come let her in.
So you have to wait until Daddy comes back.
She have to wait until he comes back. Outside feel chilly. You know, say all tonight I got cold. Mm-hmm. By later. Thank you for the light, guys. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna post my next comedy skit today. You know, every Friday. So I'm gonna post the next part of it today. Mm-hmm. Hope you guys like it. Sorry. Hope you guys like the comedy skit. Yeah. Because even yesterday when me I wake up, you know, when me did I wake up round at the side there, so the dry leaf them like the leaf them fall off of the mango tree. So when me wake up and eat up and eat now, me say alright, and me take it up with my hand. Take up with, you know, use the rake and put on one of my hand and take up the first part of it. When me take up the first part of it now and put it a one part. No, put it a one part, which part we normally light it. When me go back to take up the next part now, one man said don't take it up, just rake it. Go there. Cause I close by, but two me did want to take up with me hand. Me never want to rake it, so me take up the first set with me hand. Hello, good day, how are you? The Q&A is here. So, when me look, you know what was there looking back on me? Hi Sam, so how are you? Thank you for joining.
The dog.
One scorpion. One scorpion, me see a crawl out of the whole heap of trash. Me say, watch out. Anyhow, me did rake again and take him up. And that sting me. So I had to get rid of him, you know. Because me no want next thing one pitney go there and something and him go start sting them. Black one, you know. Scorpion. A cold time, now we no say them are gonna come out enough to the scorpion them. So you have to make sure say
Where do scorpions even come from?
God create them. So you have to make sure say your door bottom and there's something that they can crawl in the house.
No, I mean, do scorpions lay eggs?
Well, I guess them have the eggs underneath them belly and then it hatch, cause that's where the babies stay until they get big underneath them belly. So whole heap of them, man. I tell you say God good enough. So something where God do you that never believe it. Say, cause all them have for them babies underneath them belly there so. And they walk with them and everything. They're tiny, you know. That's why them stay upon them. Yeah. That's why them stay upon them until they get big, then come off. I tell you. Q&A. Funny misunderstanding you've had. Funny misunderstanding you've had. Funny misunderstanding. Guys, you can also comment on the Q&A as well. Now watch same time. I don't know when the rain are gonna start fall. We get some rain yesterday. Them said this one is coming with rain, so I make sure I wash, put the clothes in pan the line and dry. Watch her. She come right at veranda grill and say no me. And me let you out there, so call me. Call me. Call me. Me no name me. Me no name me. You can't stay out there. I grass make she gone out there, you know. You see grass, the grass out there, so she go out there, go eat the grass and then she want go around now and can't go back home. Oh, she reached out there in the first place. She put herself out there, you know. She went out there on her own. Okay, so let's think about misunderstandings now. I remember once I went out and somebody said to me, "Oh, you're so and so sister." I said, "No." Me no know who name so. I say, you sure you're not so and so? I say, no, I don't know the person you're talking. I say, oh, you favor the person do a bad, me I tell you. I say, okay. Don't know the person and I don't come from that side that the person is talking about. So that was a misunderstanding. Mm-hmm. At least she got the sort of front all the while because the guy plant up things over so me thank God she not go over there. She go out the front there so we have things plant up out the front, you know, but she not eat. Me not really see she a eat none of something them we plant up out there. All the plant them, the flowers, something them are there on the veranda, they out there as well. Mm-hmm. So, silent watchers, how are you doing today? I am still down with the flu, but you know, hopefully that too shall pass. Yeah, that too shall pass. So I'm going.
You can throw it there. You can go up there, put it right in.
I forgot to open my side gate, but she going. Probably she want to go drink some water. The girl they go about the puppy. Hey, I little kitty now, Mrs. Shapo. Hey, I little kitty was just born last night. This morning, Mrs. Shapo kitty. I got make she not go on. Shapo kitty was born last night. If I knew, I forgot to let her in. Every girl let her in, she look out through the, I look out, me lock the gate, you know, and she look out through the something like she want to come back out. And then come back out, she will stay out there. I'm telling you. What them can make a nice going on, I probably want more grass now. One time they hungry, so they cry. They soon come with the grass. I'm gonna get some grass for them. Yep. My God is awesome. It's good at the one for nice. I'm telling you, a lot of times. Yes, walk by is now married. That is so awesome. Yeah. Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. walk by. Mhm. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna look for the clothes and if them done. But they are going in the day, peeps. Girl, they are going, you know. Hope all is well on your side. Yay. It's a Friday afternoon. I don't even know. I'm gonna cook, but I'm not sure. I don't, I don't make up my mind yet when I go cook it. I don't know. If it is rice and peas or it is white rice,
It's Friday.
I know. I know it's Friday. So because it's Friday, you're not gonna eat? Oh, to miss a rice and peas?
Yes.
No, but sometimes you can cook rice and peas on a Friday. No. I same thing you buy out the road and eat same way. Rice and peas. Like I buy restaurant food, a rice and peas, I get same way. If I that you want, a rice and peas, you get. So, can cook it at home and eat it. So, no. Yeah. Lunchtime. Who is having lunch now? Who is having lunch now? It's not me typing, I don't know. Why you what are you doing? Are you working with the AI? You're working with the AI? Are you working as a AI? Which one?
I'm using ChatGPT.
I know. I know you are. I said, let me come live to see what's going on, We never do any live this morning. So, I tried on my midday live. Even though I didn't schedule the live, I just come live. So I'm supposed to schedule the live. I don't schedule the live, but I am here still. Later, I'm going to schedule later on. I just schedule it. I'm going to schedule it and leave it. And then we start the live. 6 p.m. Probably me do a late night live too. Spend it 5 or 1 hour on a late night live. Yes, Valentine's Day is coming up next week. It's next week. Today is Bob Marley's birthday as well. I think they're keeping something at is it Emancipation Park? Yeah, they're keeping something at Emancipation Park.
Emancipation.
Yeah. You know me not call word good, you know.
Yeah, you said emancipation.
Emancipation. Yeah. They're keeping something today there for the great Bob Marley. Yeah. They have the section where they can put up a stage and things like that. The park is very nice. It's big, spacious, nice park.
You can have a picnic.
Yeah.
With KFC.
Up there, nice. Tell myself, say, on a Sunday, some of the time, like, go church and then just take a little drive out and go over there and relax a little bit till I'm ready to come home.
We can buy KFC and ice cream and pizza.
You love food, you know? I use the food. It's you say food, girl.
No, but it's true. You like ice cream. You like pizza.
Everybody love ice cream. Ice cream is very nice.
I mean, everybody.
Well, almost everyone. Some persons don't eat ice cream.
Take it off.
Hmm?
Take it off.
What?
The vehicle.
I was trying to never go wash my face to take it off.
No, just get
One
some
wipes.
Just get wipes or wet tissue.
I use a wet tissue, but it never worked out.
It works for me. You just have to use.
The tissue wasn't wet enough. Yay. Silent watchers, what's going on with you now? How are you doing today? I hope all is well on your side. Yeah. Oh my God. Right, I know. Later when the cold front pick up, me I tell you, say, I pay a sweater. When you look, it give me a break, in a weekend, it give me a break. Yesterday never so cold. But then the rain start to fall. And this morning now you get up, you find say the breeze outside kind of coolish now. So I'm going to look if my clothes finish and put them on the line. Guys, we have one new baby kitty outside. One newborn. Born last night. The goat, she only have one kid. At the first she have kid. She only have one. Nice little baby kitty. Just hopefully, just hope that it works out, you know. She have our kitty, and the kitty will be okay. Yeah, 4 persons. So I'm gonna go outside right about now because I say I have things to get done. I'm gonna look at the clothes finish. Now the rain start fall, and my clothes no dry. You know, at any point in time the rain can start fall. That's the thing about Jamaica. Sometimes the rain will start fall. Hey, nobody come jump up for me, you know. Yeah, I get big like Lucy, you know. Hey, why? Why you have to jump up on me now? Let me see. Mother, now from where she there, you know, from where? I don't know if you Wi-Fi I go reach out to so. What? They look when I eat up a little grass and thing. Look when you eat, watch her. Hey! Hey you. Alright, so this is the baby. Don't go there, you know. Don't go there. Evening, my lovely. Evening, my lovely. Thank you for cheering me up. Thank you for. Oh, I miss Rose. Wow. I miss Rose. That phone here, there's something fine on it. Me can't really see it good, you know. It's very fine. I some clothes me there here I go put on the line. Cause sunshine nice out here today, you know. So like you saw the sun, you saw the time look bright and pretty. Yesterday the rain was falling on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. I go out to the front to rake up the place and I tell you say I have to watch the rain because too, I have the flu. I don't want the rain drizzle for me. So I did a fine dew yesterday. A fine dew. Fine, you can barely, yeah. All time people always say it's a squall. Yeah. So me hurry up and try reaching back. Same as when I reach back in the house, a big shower rain come down. So Miss Rose say, evening my lovely. Thank you for cheering me up the other day. You're very kind. Yeah. We have to be grateful for, you know. Yeah, no matter what's going on, you know. We have to just continue pray and just do the best we can at any given time we in a whatever situation. Yeah. You're welcome, Miss Rose. You're welcome. You know, sometimes we have to just work with the way out. Because, as me say, here, so my day is not mine. But, you know, I was privileged. We get the privilege. I come here, when I came here, I came here to look after my husband, grandmother, right? And we're there here and I live and something, and it happens that she passed away, you know. She passed away, so, you know, we're still living here at the house, same way. Thank God for the family. We're still there here, same way. Thank God for Mama and her husband. We're still there here, live here, same way, you know. So we don't have as you were saying about house and stuff like that. You're paying rent and all of that, you know, or you alone live. So you know really right now, you know really need. It is good to have your own, you know. It is good to have your own. But at the same time, you would need someone, me understand, you would need someone for yourself because you wouldn't have to pay rent. That is the next thing. But if per se you not have the money right now to buy a house and things like that, you have to just work on it till you can see one part of the money where you can say, you know, pay down on something. Because me myself, you know, every time I dream of phone in my own home as well, you know. The next part of my glasses pop off. Ah, let me situation, yeah. See, next part of my glasses pop off now. It dropped a gun a while ago, you know. It dropped a gun a while ago. See there now? I'm now glasses less. Imagine that. The other part just come out. It drop a gun and it's something it drop a gun and it's something come out of it. So, you know, so you then turn up the music. Yeah. Yes, Miss Rose. You know. That's how life set up. But we can't make We can't make whatever it is in life get we down. Yeah. We have to try to continue live day by day and have a smile on your face. You know, sometimes them say, boy, if me fi tell you, you that take it tell me. I saw the old time people them always say, if me fi tell you, you that take it tell me. And then again them say, boy, you see a smile on a person's face, you wouldn't even know where a person a go through. Because if they don't tell you, you won't know. You understand me? So I just one of them thing there, you know. I saw it set up. Yeah, we have to just live good and love God and, you know, try to make each other happy, you know, make each other happy. When something is wrong, you have somebody we can talk to about the situation, and then again you won't hear it back. That is the main thing, you won't hear it back. Then again, you know, we have to always have somebody we can talk to. We have to always have somebody we can talk to, because in this life, if you're alone and you don't have nobody to share whatever it is you're going through, you know, it will get to you. Cause what? You don't have nobody to say it to. It just make you feel even more down and make you feel even worse than how you feel, because you don't have nobody to say it to. Say, boy, this me I go through. And you can get one and two good advice or so. So me understand. Yeah. For me just a try. Watch out, water another Jamaican. Me just a try day by day. Day by day, you know. Take it one step at a time. One step at a time. One step at a time. Well, I'm secure if you want for stable catch it up so that it's something not drop down. You're welcome, Miss Mud. You're welcome. You are so welcome. You know, there's a lot of time me myself feel that way, you know. And me tell myself, say, this area, we are 2026. We have only one life to live and we are gonna live it. Yeah? All when we don't have no money, we still are gonna live it. Yeah. So we're not gonna make nothing get we down. We're not gonna make nothing make we feel no way, you know? We're gonna just live as one. God put us here for a reason, put us here for a purpose. So we live to see 2026 and we're here for a purpose. Yeah. So we don't go sit down and stress ourselves about nothing where we can't change, yeah? The first say we did it and we say, boy, this happened and that happened. We just say, try on, man. You know, what is to be must be. And we can't stop it from being. So make it go and be. Yeah. Continue to be the best version of yourself that you can be. That is it. Continue to be the best version of yourself. On the line. May I put 2 little pieces of something on the line, you know. May I pick up 2 little something on the line. That's what I'm doing for now. I pick up 2 little something. Make sure to watch them here because so anytime start to cool like this, you know, you want to have a good sweater then to put on and all those things. So you have to make sure you wash and put them to dry. So that when the cold time stepping back, go carefully clean. Spread them out. And then dry now. You can put them on. All these things. You kind of get foreign. Now with the overseas. A little foreign. This one. This one is full. Before after that, I put something in. Yes, this is light. Right now, fine. Right now, from the garden, the outside, the breeze start blow, and something. So we the outside. With the outside Sunday, and Swanix is here. yesterday I did a cry out at the front. No much longer me have to go out there go let her in. When she go out there, she no want come in back. She want somebody to let her in. Yeah, them a play music, so that's why I mute the mic. 2 bar, one pan the left, one pan the right. So them a play music, so me just mute the mic so that it not sound in the. So I'm full of bar bush. Cause she go down in the bush, so jump the fence, gone over the people in yard. So that's why she full of bar. Jump the fence and go away when she ready. Jump the fence and go away. And then she come back. Rami! So these are our animals. Yeah, these are our animals. Yeah. We have a young kitty now. Just born last night. The newest Them a play music, so sometimes the music come up loud, me have to mute the mic. Yeah. You know? You're welcome, we are welcome, Miss Rose. You know? See her tail pretty, see her tail pretty, her tail that. Hey, stop! The other goat a bucky little goat. I may tell you. I did a try put on makeup this morning. Yeah, different color. Guys, one love from A and I. Thank you for joining my live. I'll see you guys later on. My battery is dying. Happy Friday.